In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an Alibaba Cloud account, perfect for beginners looking to dive into the world of cloud services. We'll take it step by step, so don't worry if you're new to this, we've got you covered. First, you'll need to jump into your web browser and head over to the Alibaba Cloud website. Simply type in www.alibabacloud.com and hit enter. Once you're there, look for the sign up button, usually found at the top right corner of your screen. Give that a click and we're on our way. Now, you'll be faced with a choice of how you'd like to sign up, using either your mobile phone number or your email address. For beginners, we recommend using a mobile phone, but an email works just as well if you prefer. Once you've decided, it's time to fill in your account details. Go ahead and enter your phone number or email address, whichever method you've chosen. Next, you'll create a password. Remember, a strong password is key to protecting your account, so make sure it's between 8 to 20 characters long, with a mix of letters and numbers. Once your password is set, check your email or phone for a verification code and input it when prompted. Before moving on, don't forget to read through and agree to Alibaba Cloud's terms of service. Once you're ready, click on the next button to continue. Now it's time to verify your identity. If you've signed up with your mobile, you'll receive an SMS with a code. Enter this code in the designated field. For email signups, you'll need to click on a verification link sent to your email account. This verification step is crucial for account security, so make sure to complete it. Once verified, you'll fill out some basic information such as your full name, country, and address. If this account is for business purposes, there's an option to provide company details and a business license. This part is optional, but necessary if you're planning to use Alibaba Cloud for company-related services. After updating your personal information, it's time to add a payment method. You can use a credit or debit card, PayPal in supported countries, or even Alibaba Cloud's prepaid balance if you prefer to pay in advance. For added security, it's highly recommended to set up security questions or two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. This step will help protect your account from unauthorized access. Spend some time reviewing all your account details to ensure that everything is correct and that you haven't missed anything important. Finally, you're ready to explore the Alibaba Cloud console. Here, you'll discover a range of services at your fingertips, such as the Elastic Compute Service for virtual servers, the Relational Database Service, and the Object Storage Service. Plus, Alibaba Cloud offers free trial products that allow you to test these services without any charges. And there you have it. You're all set with an Alibaba Cloud account. Enjoy your new cloud services, and thank you for joining us today.